Now that I'm at my computer again, I can be more normie. Alright. See if they have documentation. No. What's colored? Oh, colored is 0, uncolored is 1. I wonder if this is important. Set partial window black. I just don't know what that does. Oh! X, Y, width, height. So this should have put a... Oh, wait a second. I think I need to... Is paint... Yeah, okay, paint is being used here. I'll figure this out. I don't see what this is doing here. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. I guess red is the... Oh, this is setting the black. Ah, it's a partial update, I think. According to this, it's drawing it at 0, 0. GitHub is perfect for this, right? It's only 249 things? That seems unlikely. Okay, how to generate a math images. MS Paint. Oh, saving is... Oh, it's really good. I want to go to the specific one for mine. Just... Great, this is what I have. Yeah, it's great. I'm so happy I got the yellow one. It feels just a little bit more special. Oh, this is actually the hot one. Is that the one that I have? At least this. Just so I can see, like, because it has so many drawing commands in it, I'll be able to at least see what's going on. Oh, display frame used to set separate images black and images red. Okay, it looks like it's two separate images, which is interesting. Yeah, I know there's a bit of... Okay. So displaying black is easy, displaying yellow is tricky. Oh, also interestingly, it looks more yellow to me than it does to you. There's some, like, yeah, subtleties there. Okay. So if I... So this says e-paper demo. If I set this to red, will it say it differently? Will it say it in red? Yellow, I mean? I'm going to be using red and yellow interchangeably, I guess, for the next few days. Alright, let's see what color it'll end up at, if any. Okay, it's looking, I guess it's flashing, so it's turning yellow. Good. It's, once again, it's much more yellow. Like, for some reason the iPad camera isn't picking up just how deliciously yellow it is. It's not so, like, it's a muddy mustard, but it's what I want, for sure. All right. I wish I knew what if there was. I wish there was documentation for this, but exploring is fun. Like, why does this need a width and a height? Why does this... Oh, I guess there's all this stuff here. Let's just see. Let's just read the documentation. I was just thinking there are other tabs, Stephen. Oh, this is... It has all the stuff I need. Cool. Oh, interestingly, this wants to be connected to 5e. So let's do that. Seems pretty clear. I'm just going to disconnect it. Right? Oh wait, I think that was the wrong cable. I messed up. Yellow is CLK. CLK goes to D13. Sorry, I know you can't see this, but it's not very... So this... So what's the chance that this all goes up in smoke? If this goes to the 5 volts, it's a draw rect. But I think it's copying a small buffer. I think it's not like an actual draw rect, it's doing something else. Okay, let's see if this works. Fingers crossed nothing bad happens. I guess I may want to let's see if it exporting something. I guess it was working at 3.5, 3.3. I probably should just left it at 3.3. It's not doing anything right now. Yeah, it was fine before. Let's just change it back. I guess being underpowered might be bad, but really seemed to be okay with what I was giving it. And now it's working again, so I think that was just wrong. It's a draw rect. Set partial. I think it's. Wait, this is due to RAM not enough in Arduino Uno. A frame buffer is not allowed. In this case, a small image buffer is allocated and you have to update a partial display several times. So the image is 128 by 18. On the other hand, there's just a display frame function that does the whole thing. Oh man, the window's really cold. I'm gonna close the window. So, okay, if I comment all that out and that out and I run it, I will get just the words ePaper demo. I mean, after a short time. And so I want to see I can just continue reading through the documentation, right? That's what the documentation is for. Hardware interface. What did I want to say? So I don't know how easy it'll be to go from, like, because the Teensy is a little bit narrower. This is the Arduino Mini and it's a bit thicker, a bit chunkier. If this would just magically also compile on it for a Teensy, that would be great. I'll be trying that out. Okay, this is way low level, I think. Of course, this is going to be a bit tricky because of this is very specific. It's hard to be now because of the memory constraints. Okay, let's just try make an image. CircuitPython, MicroPython? Probably, right? Yeah, there's a whole world of like embedded, friendly embedded versions of languages. Though the problem here is with the API rather than anything language specific, so. Okay, this looks good. can't use partial refresh all the time. Okay. X, Y, width, length. Y24. Oh, this is drawing this to these coordinates, I guess. So if I change this to be 0, 0, maybe it'll have it at the origin. Where do I get, like, where can I, oh, can I, like, I guess I just, like, get it so that you're not getting, like, a computer glare all the time. Don't know. It's fine. It's not great. Okay, so now you can see it's saying e-prepare solos. Okay, so I get the idea now. I'm writing a buffer. Cool. Let's, because I want to actually, that's what I want to do. So I assume if I draw this at like 30, I do this, it'll like have something black and have something red a few pixels below it. Yeah. So I guess the buffers are completely separate, which is interesting. Come on. And the lower one is gonna, cool, end up a little yellow. So I'll send this to a friend who might appreciate it. So I'll probably end up throwing away the case design I was doing, because this 3-color screen is really fun, and it just uses it has just different dimensions and it behaves a bit differently. But I think, yeah, I don't know how I'll properly get them all fixed in together. Right, like tilt my screen away. No. Oh, if I just move my this direction, then there's nothing more to okay, there we go. That's it. That's much better, right? It's not perfect. Let's put another, there we go, object. Okay, let's try and create an image. So my goal for this evening is to create an image. All right, so I think it's easy enough. Soldering iron has cooled off. We can go full engineer mode and use our helping hands. I guess it's hard to find purchase on this though, because it's quite a tricky. This is safe, right? Yeah. Okay. This is not very well put in. Let me see if I can get better. Okay. Nope. Oh, it's even the wrong way around anyway. Oh. That's a bit better. So let's what comes next? Picture exporting. Like, I can probably do this in code very easily, but let's if it's not refreshed every 24 hours, sticking maker. Oh, what? For something that I'm planning on forgetting about for a long time, this is annoying. It's probably fine though. Alright, what this means is that whatever I do, I will make a case so that I can replace the screen if worst comes to worst.